In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with GCash on trip.com. If you want a fast, secure way to check out your flight or hotel using your mobile wallet, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish with helpful tips to keep everything smooth. Start by opening the trip.com app on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your account so your bookings and receipts sync properly. A quick tip before you begin. Make sure your app is up to date and that you're on a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups during payment. Next, search for and select the flight or hotel you want. Browse the options, compare prices and policies, and open the one that fits your plans. Take a moment to review inclusions, cancellation rules, and any extra fees so there are no surprises at checkout. When you're ready, enter your traveler details and continue. Ensure names exactly match your government ID used for travel. For flights, add any required information like date of birth or passport details if applicable. Confirm your contact info so trip.com can send your confirmation. Then tap Proceed to Payment. At the checkout screen, look for the Digital Wallets or e-wallet section and choose GCash. If you don't immediately see GCash, check that your region and currency settings are appropriate for this payment method and that the selected product supports wallet payments. Tap the Pay or Open in GCash button. The app will redirect you to a secure GCash page or open a trusted in-app browser. Avoid hitting back or closing the app while it loads to prevent interrupting the payment handoff. Follow the prompts in GCash to log in securely with your usual credentials. You may be asked to verify with an OTP. Before you confirm, double-check the amount and the merchant name. Make sure you have enough balance or an available linked funding source, then tap Confirm Payment to finalize. After confirmation, wait to be redirected back to trip.com. Don't refresh during this step. You should see a success page, and your e-ticket or hotel voucher will appear in the app and be sent to your email. Save or download the receipt and consider taking a quick screenshot for your records. If payment fails or GCash isn't listed, verify your internet connection, region or currency settings, and wallet balance or limits. You can retry the payment and, if needed, reach out to trip.com or GCash support. Refunds, when applicable, typically return to the original payment method. That's it. Open trip.com, pick your stay or flight, enter traveler details, choose GCash, and confirm. Happy travels and smooth payments.